how do you start up your 737? So this video covers pretty much everything you need to know as a rule as to start up your 737 just like a robot pilot. So subscribe for more videos. First, enter your settings and make sure your start with engines running is unchecked, and then save it and then fly. Subscribe if you want more videos on how to fly planes here like a robot pilot. Okay, so first is the battery switched. Battery is on. Yeah, I'm gonna on the standby power. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yep, and I'm gonna on ground power and then APU. But before I on my APU, I need some fuel. So I'm gonna on my full tank, my left tank pump, and now on my APU. So and a light is gonna come up here. So our APU will generate. Yeah, so APU on and APU bleed air on. Yaw down pole, gonna need that. Then on full pumps now. Landing lights on. And go tell these guys we're about to take off. So they should fasten your seat belts, man. Yeah. So we'll start our engines now. So here where it says engine start, switch it to GRD and wait for N2 to reach 25%. So N2 is 25. I'm gonna raise my mixture in. Yep. And it will, and this engine start will be okay. Sparked auto, and then do the same for engine 2. So GRD and Okay, mixture in. Come on, baby. So this video is not gonna cover like the autopilots, autopilot and the FMC. But if you want more videos, subscribe so you know what the hell's going on. So ground powers goes off now and generators on. Yep, and APU bleed air goes off, engine bleed air goes on, and now you can switch your hydraulic pumps. Yeah, and you APU goes off, APU generators go off, and that's it. So I'm not gonna teach about the FMC or pilots and like ILS landings, but you subscribe if you want, like if you want more videos, cause this channel is a flight training channel, so you sure don't want to miss any video from this channel. So bye guys, thanks for watching and subscribe and like the video. So see you in my next video. I hope I'll see you there. So bye.